say booyah! We won't have that much battery right now over here, so we'd better move it and speak loud. So, we're back. Finally, after this long day. Today has been pretty good at the village. Yesterday it was filter building. Today has been adjusting the installation and testing the water. So what did we do this morning actually there?
We found out that there was a separate cloth that we added to where the contaminated water would go, and that was acquiring too much iron too quickly, and that was really slowing the flow rate to the rapid sand filter. So we decided to remove that. There was some problems with the actual sand filter frame we need to fix because just design improvements, because it wasn't really structurally strong enough. And a little bit of help from some of the villagers, and we managed to do that.
Yes.
What else?
Then we just test the water basically.
Oh wait, no, but we also tested with cleaning the sand and the arsenic.
Yeah, that's true.
Out of the rapid sand filter.
Yeah, before testing and before creating the new system, we washed the anthracite, sand and everything, and the pipes as well. So
to create everything like a proper new filter. Yes. So then we collect this sample, because even if we've been already testing for a week in our prototype here, the guest house at Rouet, in the lab actually, that is giving good results. For the people to actually use it in the village, there's of course needed through like a big test. It's not just about arsenic, but also other substances that I don't remember right now. Maybe Ton Moy can help us here.
Yeah, that was not only the arsenic that can injure people, but also the arsenic, iron, manganese, nitrate, phosphate, fecal coliform, and the E. coli, the bacteria as well.
E. coli. So yeah, there's a lot of other bacteria and viruses that will exist in the water, and our filter only, what we think, well, definitely it cleans arsenic, but we're not sure about the other contaminants, which is why it has to be tested with the DPHE.
Yeah, so that was a bit also heartbreaking in a way, because in a way you build something together with them, and you are in the direction of, you know that this can work, but still there's some of course work to be done for understanding if it's really not harmful for them. And yeah, the test has been sent. We took it today to DPHE for testing. Most likely we will have a response in about 1 week, and then the process will go on to see if it's available for them, if it's possible for them to use it or not.
Yeah, of course, if the arsenic level is short, as we tested, so we can tell them people to use it for cooking and other purposes, because if you heat the water, the phosphate, nitrate and bacteria are dead or safe to use in cooking and other stuff, but not for drinking directly, because they may contain bacteria, phosphate, nitrate as well.
Okay, well that's certainly more of a positive outcome or outlook than what we previously thought. So we were quite disappointed by them not being able, also letting them down, because they seemed very, when you see someone who knows that they're being poisoned by the water that they drink, and then you create a solution which is really approachable for them to build, and the sort of happiness that brings to them was really endearing for me personally anyway. Like it felt really good. Only to then say that you actually can't use it, and it might be a couple of months before you can use it. It was a little bit heartbreaking.
Anyway, it's very emotional to leave the village, knowing that you might be there for the last time, knowing we know many people there, and for me personally it's been quite hard, quite emotional, but I will always take with me very good memories. And yeah, well, for what concerns still the work, we are putting together a document, a sort of an instruction book, user manual actually, where step by step they will be able to, well, there's basically all the information to build the filter from scratch.
Yeah, so it'll be all the components, schematic out diagrams, the theory behind it, how it works, any troubleshooting and how to fix that, and then all the components with all the dimensions and things like that. So it should be pretty comprehensive, and that should be finished tomorrow or the day after.
Yeah, also because the day after tomorrow we are flying to Dhaka for the second part of our journey over here in Bangladesh. So stay tuned and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.